Play-Doh, and here is an example of a cookie. You get like frosting and then diagonally it. Diagonally it, and after you spoon, you get whatever you want to do. And we made strings of teeth.
The strings of
frosting. Move on this stuff. Okay, I'll do. Here, you do this, and I'll do the cookie. Okay?
I'll do a hair.
Here, do the pork chops.
You do the pork chops.
And look, after this, we're gonna make an ice cream cone.
It was some ice cream cone.
But it's gonna be.
You know, we'll make it up. I'm calling you back.
First,
I tell you what's here was good.
Excuse me. I did that. I tell you what's here was good. Let me do it. You have to do that cutting stuff.
She beat me. I mess with you. She mess with me. I mess with her. She stinks. So she has to do like this.
Here's an example of another cookie.
Let me see this.
You can do it in different shapes.
Let me see you a song that you never heard before. Pretty Bella, oh 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 oh, Pretty Bella. Oh, this thing big. You see it coming out.
While she's doing that, you're not gonna look at me for a little while, because I have to do this. It's just gonna be a quick routine. How they do it so fast when they do it?
I think they be skipping it.
Yeah.
And it be helping some other people do it. To the store, but on the boat.
I thought you sound like 80. You sound like 80.
It is snow slide on the mountain nuts. I mess with y'all.
You did. You're like, what am I doing?
Doodle?
You know I said doodle. Doodle. A dodo bird.
A doodle is diary. Let's go diary.
Diarrhea and a whoopee kid. Diarrhea and a whoopee kid.
We watch Diary and the Whoopee Kid. It's very fun. It's awesome. And it's cool. It's fun. And you're only watching on Teenage Top 10.
Teenage Top 10. Watch it, Teenage Top 10.
Look at the teeth!
Ew!
Look at the frogs. Look at this.
What?
Frosting.
Oh, makes me hungry.
How many peel these?
You have to peel it for yourself.
Stink. Turn that down. Pretty Bella. Oh, Pretty Bella. Oh. And we have doing a lot of stuff, and we're gonna take like something like pool.
We're gonna make a pool video.
Tomorrow we're gonna make a video. We're gonna be seeing us going on the water.
Finally, we can go in the pool. I wanted to go in the pool since I was born.
We wanted to go to the pool besides we were bored and we were ugly.
No,
we were what? Ugly.
We were gorgeous.
I
was so chubby. Yeah, you did baskets. I heard it.
Party 40.
Party rockers to the house tonight.
We're gonna use these as our maker stuff. Hey girl, stick butt.
What? See these mint wrappers?
These are for us to eat, but we're gonna use the wrappers. We put them back in because we're gonna use some stuff.
We have to make like small cookies, like candies. Like I'm gonna give it. I'm not gonna give it to your mom. I want to do that.
I'll be like, this is what our cousin did last time. She did this. Let me show you when I opened the candy. I can open stuff with my hands just slippery. Hey! Hey, kill it. Kill it, Zendaya. Hey, Zendaya.
I want my hair like that.
It's just, watch until you slip. And look. Oh, stop. I'm going to try again. Okay, because I put it in my mouth. I had to slip.
She tried to show off because she slipped.
She said, can't stick. This had my sister's going to tell that she was our grandpa. Say so.
Today?
No, not
You
not
need
that.
to listen.
She doesn't mean that. She means
Simply listen. Can I have a piece of your candy? See that? Can I have a piece of your candy?
it's trying to take us a bit. I heard our little cousin did.
Look this. I took a big old chunk. Can you make a big old chunk? Okay, here is our next that I started. People gonna say, how do you do that?
I was rapping. He's back up!
Purple rain, purple rain.
Okay, we're not done with our, you done.
Na.
Okay, I'm taking off the paper.
Here's a cookie and a bag. Thank you guys for watching our video. Subscribe down below. Bye.